everyone, this is Angela and you're listening to Abihilan Today podcast. A tragic incident occurred as a Philippine Air Force helicopter crashed during a disaster response mission. The aircraft was delivering relief goods and rescuers to flood-hit areas when it lost contact due to bad weather. We are now investigating the cause of the crash. The nation mourns the loss of brave servicemen who risked their lives to help others. Their courage and dedication remind us of the true meaning of service and sacrifice. Our prayers go to their families and loved ones. This is Angela. Stay safe and take care of one another.